are not actually carried by emotions. We are carried by and a little bit of this. Your coming here was to convince the paramountcy that you are here in true and natural form. You have answered his questions. Whatever it is, we are all witnesses to it, and we will respond accordingly. Thank you very much.
Your Royal Highness, on behalf of Ohanese and Ligo, the Apex Igbo body in Igbo world, in conjunction with the Association of NDSA, North Region, headed by Chief Isaac Amasindike, I want to thank Your Highness, the chiefs, and every other person here for the kind reception accorded us to your palace. This goes a long way telling us that the relationship between the Ghanaians and the Igbos here are very, very cordial. Your Majesty, sir, you are 92 years today. Next year, you'll be 50 years. And God will bless you. Amen. Thank you.
The security, the press, and other related issues may talk about what is happening or what was happening within the media sector. They can make and unmake by just stroke of the pen. They can destroy you, and they are the same people who can make you great. So we should look at those areas, fine-tune them, and then we'll try to communicate minute by minute before the appointed time. So all the assurances we've heard, the security-wise, the media, and other aspects, we should try and fine-tune, and then we will advise ourselves about the timing. Because now it is almost 11:25 Ghana time, and we have little over 2 hours for your appointed time. We have to take a decision after you have taken your leave, so that you know what to do within the next minutes. Thank you.
Ghana land, thank you. We wish you success in all your endeavors. We ask our stool ancestors, the gods of racial Lata, to bless you, protect you, defend you. Let everything that you do, you should be declared victorious.
Are you okay?